here, hands-on with VLG here. Going to make beef stroganoff for supper tonight. I've already got my pasta made and cooked. Yes, I made my own pasta, but it's already done because, you know, you guys didn't know, just follow the instructions on the box unless you make your own and stuff. Easy. Pick out what pasta you like. Alright, so I'm going to take an onion here. And I zap it in half, like so. I'm going to dice it up like so. I don't do it all fancy like. I just do like this. Now watch this here, folks. I just stack them up. Like so, right? Now watch that. And one of those diced. Just like so. Diced. Just like so. Diced. Take this tower of 3. Good enough. Done. Take this guy here. Same effect. Zap him down. Zap him down. There's a diced onion. That quick. Done. One diced onion. Okay, so I'll get that wrapped up in a bowl and I'll be right back. Okay, now we've got, what are we using?
Round steak.
This is just round steak we're going to use tonight. We're getting cheap here, okay? I'm going to cut some thin slices like so with some round steak. Thusly. Nice and thin like. Cutting them at an angle to make them fancy. You get a long piece like that, it looks good. So we're just going to cut them along. Like so. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Because I'm fancy. Okay, I got some tablespoon of oil and a skillet. Coming up to temperature. Right there. Okay, so now we've got our meat right here, the edge, and we want to sear this up a little bit, but we don't want to cool the pan down too much. The pan's not quite hot enough yet, so I'll give it a minute. We want these to be sizzling up pretty good. And then we're gonna brown this up in batches. We'll put it in this plate right here, okay? All we're doing. Now we're starting to get up there. I'll do these little pieces first because they came off of the small piece that I cut. Nope, don't want that fat on there. There we go. Little pieces. And we'll mix it in with a couple of bigger pieces. Now we'll start getting some of these strips, you see. Look at that, huh? Damn Skippy. Set these in here and brown them up. Nice little piece. A couple of these. Alright, we'll put a couple more little ones. And we'll brown these up, sear them on both sides. Get them all looking good. Then we'll take them out, put them in the bowl, and we move on to the next mountain of pieces of meat. You see what I mean? That easy. I'll see you in a few. Okay. So now we got this going, right? And we are going to take these guys on out, these little guys here. Boop, like so. Boop, boop. Pretty cool, right? Now, hey, I'm going to drop. I'm going to kick the heat down a little bit, first of all. What I'm going to do now, I'll just keep working on the beef. This will work just fine. Perfectly, actually. I'm going to put in all of our beef now. And I'm going to add, right there, 1.5 cups of beef stock, right? Put some beef stock in here. Make sure all these little boys are down here swimming. In here. Now I'm going to take this. This beef stock is warm already. So I'm going to take this meat right here like this. We're going to take a little breather. This is going to come up to a low simmer, like it's doing right now. See that? Like it's doing around the edges. 5.5 should do the trick. We're going to cover the skillet. I'm going to let this stuff just kind of do its thing in the beef broth until it gets nice and tender. Okay? Then we'll move on to the next step. We'll be right back. Oakley dokley, folks, this is, I'm not going to try to do that because it won't. Has been simmering for, oh, I don't know, probably 20 minutes. We're going to pull it out into our bowl. I'm going to kick Sheila in the face. And I didn't want to, but she's right there when I tried to step forward. I'm going to take this out. The beefage, remember, it's just been simmered in broth. There's no flavor, no seasoning yet. Not yet. Most of that's coming from what's coming up is going to be our main seasonings. Okay, that's going to get set down. And I'm going to cover it with foil like this. Just like that. Keep it warm, right? Now, if I can clear dogs out of the path,
here, guys.
Look out, animals. Coming through. Hot stuff.
There you go.
I got the rest of that broth out of there, right? I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of margarine. I'm going to dump our small diced onion. You saw that at the beginning. Up in here like so. Right? Give me 1 second here, folks. When do you see what we're going to add next? That's right, it's these. Oh yeah, folks. We got some sliced onions, or sliced onions, diced onions, and now we've got some sliced mushrooms up in here. Heck yeah, man. Some of these can actually be halved. Shit, I'm using metal in my new skillet. That's not cool. Let me get it. Look out, Sheila.
Yeah.
There we go. Some of these are kind of big. So I'll half them. That's alright. Hey! And what we're going to do is saute these down for about, I don't know, it'll be like maybe about 5, 6, 7 minutes, somewhere in there, till they're all tender and kind of slightly browned. Mostly talking about the onions. They'll lose all the moisture and they'll start looking really good. We will stir this all around. Mix that butter so everybody gets an even chance. You see what I mean? Like so. This is going to be beautiful. Beautiful, man. Yeah, like the mama said, beautiful. See? Right, now I'm just going to keep flipping this around for a bit. I'm going to flip out. You flip out. I'll be right back when I'm done flipping out. But you had better keep flipping out. Hit subscribe, damn it. You're pissing me off up in here. Okay, folks, we're back. It's been about 5 minutes. They're looking good. Now I'm going to take a fork. I'm going to get about... I'm not going to get it out of this jar. I'll be right back. That ain't happening. What do you bet I can get it out of this jar? I'm going to get... it's not open, senor. Stab. That'll do. My shrooms are getting away from me. No, they're not. I'm going to get about 1 clove of garlic's worth of garlic, maybe just a touch more, and smack that right in there, right? Try to get the lid on quickly. This is going to go about 1 minute. Okay, we're going to mix them all in. Go about another minute. You'll start smelling a little bit of garlicky, like so. Now, I've got 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. This is going to make our sauce. This way, LEG the mama can have this stuff. No roux necessary. No flour. So I'm just going to put that in here. It's going to make our sauce. In fact, I'm going to put just a little. Shake up some water and get the rest of that out of there. There we go. That's going in there. We're going to get about 2 tablespoons. What's this here sauce? Worcestershire sauce. It's going to be about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire up in here. Like so. Put just a squirt, like a ½ teaspoon, Dijon mustard, like that, up in there, like so. Oh, see, dogs. Stir this around, right? I'm gonna get this going. Up around in here like so. This heat can come down again. I'm gonna leave the heat at 4. Like that. Oh, I'm gonna add just a smidgen. Just a smidgen of water. Enough to get it like a gravy consistency, like so. Just a little more. There we go, like so. All right, that. I'm gonna go with about a teaspoon of salt up in there, like so. I'm gonna go with about ½ teaspoon of black pepper, about like that. Stir, a little quick stir like so. Get it mixed, give it a taste. Hell yeah. I'm going to take our meat. Our meat's going to go back in like so. Just like this. Our noodles would be, cooked. Mine are cooked already, pre-cooked. I've got them done, made and done ahead of time. I'm going to mix our meat in here. Like so. This is the stro, and this is the ganoff. So we're going to put our stro in the ganoff. Sounds good to me, right? And there we go. Just like that. Warm that up through there, which it's warming through. Like so. Just got that warming through. Very nice, very nice. If you wanted to, you could put just a little bit more beef stock in this right now and put the lid back on it and keep it warm till your pasta is done. But you should have your pasta cooking before you start cooking this. That's the law. Don't break it, folks. There you go. Beef stroganoff. What do you think of that? Then you have to check it out, right? So I'm going to grab this piece right here. Hot. Oh yeah. That's coming off. That's good. Done. Off the heat. I'll see you over there. We'll see what it looks like. Is that not recording? Okay. So, there is the beef stroganoff and 2 crescent rolls and or croissants if you're fancy. That's what you have. That's how easy it is to make. It takes damn near no time at all, folks. So, hit that like and subscribe. Damn you. And until the next time, here, we'll do it this way. What do they do, L.A.G., the Mama and Sheila?
Say peace. Just peace out.
Damn Skippy. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around.